Arre, the universe is so big and mysterious, no? When we look up at the night sky, we see countless stars, planets, and galaxies. It's like a vast cosmic ocean that stretches out infinitely in all directions. It's full of amazing things, from the swirling clouds of gas and dust that form nebulae to the brilliant light of distant stars. The universe is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. But the biggest mystery of all is this: what was there before the Big Bang happened? This question takes us to the very edge of our understanding, challenging everything we know about the cosmos. This question has puzzled people for ages. Ancient civilizations looked to the stars and wondered about the origins of the universe. And today, scientists and philosophers continue to grapple with this profound mystery. It makes scientists and philosophers really think hard. They debate, theorize, and conduct experiments, all in an effort to uncover the secrets of the universe's beginnings. We know the universe started somehow. The Big Bang Theory suggests that it began as a singular, incredibly dense point that expanded rapidly, creating everything we see today. But what was there before the start? Was there a void, a nothingness, or something entirely different that we can't even comprehend? The start. This question leads us to ponder the very nature of existence and time itself. Was there even a beginning? Or has the universe always existed in some form or another, cycling through phases of creation and destruction? These are the questions that keep scientists and thinkers awake at night, driving them to explore the unknown. Scientists are still trying to figure this out. They use powerful telescopes and advanced technology to peer deep into space, searching for clues about the universe's origins. Our journey to solve this cosmic puzzle starts with the Big Bang Theory. By studying the remnants of the Big Bang, such as cosmic microwave background radiation, scientists hope to uncover the story of our universe's birth. Trying to understand where we came from is like exploring deep space and time. It's a journey that takes us to the farthest reaches of the cosmos and the deepest questions of existence. It takes us to the edge of what we can understand. But with each discovery, we get a little closer to answering the ultimate question: what was there before the Big Bang? So, the Big Bang Theory is the most popular idea about how the universe started. It's a fascinating concept that has captured the imagination of scientists and the general public alike. It says the universe began from a super-hot, super-packed, tiny point about 13.8 billion years ago. This point, often referred to as a singularity, contained all the matter and energy that would eventually form everything we see around us today. Imagine something smaller than an atom, but containing everything in the universe. It's almost impossible to fathom, but this tiny point held the potential for galaxies, stars, planets, and even life itself. This tiny point exploded outwards, creating space and time as we know it. This event, known as the Big Bang, set the stage for the universe's ongoing expansion and evolution. We know this because we see distant galaxies moving away from us. This observation was first made by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, and it has been confirmed by numerous studies since then. The farther they are, the faster they're going away. This phenomenon is known as the redshift, and it provides strong evidence for the Big Bang Theory. This means everything was once much closer together. In fact, if we trace the movement of galaxies backward in time, we find that they all converge at a single point. The Big Bang Theory is a really clever idea. It not only explains the expansion of the universe, but also provides a framework for understanding the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. It explains many things we see. For example, the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang, provides a snapshot of the early universe. But it doesn't tell us everything. There are still many unanswered questions, such as why the Big Bang happened or what was there before it. These mysteries continue to drive scientific inquiry and inspire new theories. The quest to understand our beginning is far from over, and each discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the secrets of the universe. The Big Bang Theory leaves some questions unanswered, like why is the universe so even everywhere? That's where the idea of cosmic inflation comes in. It says the universe expanded super-duper fast, faster than light, just after the Big Bang. This smoothed out everything, making it even like we see it today. Cosmic inflation is a cool idea. It solves some problems with the Big Bang theory. But it also gives us questions. What caused this super fast expansion? And what happened it? The mystery gets bigger. Some scientists think the Big Bang wasn't the very beginning. They think the universe expands and then shrinks again and again. This is the cyclic universe idea. Imagine the universe growing for billions of years, then shrinking back to a tiny point. Then boom, another Big Bang, and it starts all over again. This idea is interesting. It means there's no real beginning or end, but right now, we haven't seen anything to prove it. Still, it's a fun idea to think about. The multiverse idea is even crazier. It says our universe is just one of many, each with its own rules. Imagine lots of bubbles, each a different universe. Some might be like ours, others totally different. This idea comes from theories like string theory and eternal inflation. We don't have proof for it, but it's a very exciting thought. What if our universe is just one of many? Mind-blowing, isn't it? Section 6. Know before, a mind-bending concept. Thinking about the Big Bang makes the idea of time confusing. Some say there was no before the Big Bang. Imagine time like a cloth that started with the Big Bang. No time before because time itself didn't exist. This is hard to understand because we think of time as a straight line that goes on forever, but the universe doesn't always follow our rules. The idea of time having a start is really strange. It makes us question everything we think we know. Section 7. Black holes and white holes. Gateways to other universes. Black holes are like super powerful vacuum cleaners in space. Nothing, not even light, can escape them. Some think black holes might be connected to white holes, things that throw stuff. Imagine a black hole in our universe connected to a white hole in another. This connection could be a tunnel, a shortcut through space and time. Maybe our universe came out of a white hole in another universe. It's a cool idea, but just an idea for now. Black holes and white holes as doors to other universes. It's a really fun thought. Section 8. The limits of our knowledge. When we think about what was before the Big Bang, we must admit, we don't know everything. Our science doesn't work so well for the super hot, super packed early universe. The Planck epoch, a tiny moment just after the start, is still a big mystery. We need new ideas and tools to understand it. Exploring what came before the Big Bang is like going to a place nobody has ever been. We should be humble and accept that some questions might not have clear answers, but that's what makes the search for knowledge so exciting. Section 9. The quest for answers continues. What was there before the Big Bang? This question has puzzled scientists and philosophers alike for generations. The idea of a beginning to everything we know is both fascinating and daunting. It's one of the biggest and hardest questions in science. Theories abound, from the concept of a multiverse to the idea of a cyclical universe that expands and contracts over eons. We don't have all the answers yet, but looking for them is what makes science move forward. The quest for understanding drives innovation and discovery, pushing the boundaries of what we know. New telescopes, experiments, and ideas are always expanding our knowledge. Each new piece of technology opens up a new window into the universe, allowing us to see further and clearer than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope, for example, is showing us amazing things about the early universe. Its advanced instruments are capable of peering back in time to just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. It's helping us understand what happened just after the Big Bang. By studying the light from distant galaxies, we can piece together the story of how the universe evolved. The search for knowledge never ends. Every new discovery leads to more questions, and the cycle of inquiry continues. This relentless pursuit is what makes science so exciting and rewarding. Every discovery helps us understand our place in the universe. Each piece of the puzzle brings us closer to comprehending the grand tapestry of existence. The universe is full of secrets, and we will keep looking for them. because we always want to know where we came from. This innate curiosity is what drives humanity to